Okay, I'm going to do a short video here on the Technetics T2, and I'm going to show you how to separate coins from bottle caps. I've got a place that's loaded with bottle caps, and I'm having a hell of a time till I figured this out. What we're going to do, turn the detector on here. Okay, and switch it over into discriminate mode. We're going to leave it on default 60 sensitivity, and for discrimination we're going to go down to 0. There, 0. Now, tones, 2+. Now, let me ground balance it here. Okay. Now I got a coin, I got a quarter here, and a bottle cap here, steel bottle cap. And here's what the quarter sounded like. And it's on 90 there. 89, 90, and locked on a quarter, the indicator. Okay, here's the bottle cap. Sounds the same. You get an 89, 86, 88, and you think, okay, that could be a quarter. Well, just start raising the coil in the air. As you're swinging, keep raising. Now you're getting different tone, different number, 70s. Okay, when that tone changes and the numbers drop like that, you know that's not a quarter, not a coin. Now, the quarter, 89, mostly 89, what stays on and locked. Start raising it, raising it, and raising it. Getting real low. I got so high that it lost the identification. But you never hear the tone change. I'm way up now, way higher than it looks from here. It's still on 89 in same tone. So that's how you can tell. And it'll do it every time. I've tried it and tried it at my site. You get these funky sounds like iron when you get so high. And the numbers start jumping all over. And that's how you tell. Okay, I think this will help you. I hope so. Good luck, and thanks for watching.